Hello everyone, welcome to another crypto cult video. Sorry for not updating much because the market is kind of dried up right now when it comes to airdrop. Not too many airdrops here, but we are still finding some on Telegram for you to make sure to join that channel. And in today's video, we will be positioning ourselves for a DMAIL airdrop. It's going to be a new project. There is some investment. I think you will need to invest around $5 to $6. So keep that in mind. We will study how likely is this airdrop so you can invest according to that. So let's go to the screen and start the video. So we will use the crypto cult thread to follow the steps. We already published this 5 days ago and you can see the quoted tweet. So DMAIL network is a new project that gives you an inbox and it also has an AI assistant. It's one of a kind project that combines Web3 and emails. So how do you earn from it? You need to create a DMAIL account, mint a DMAIL NFT, bind the DMAIL for composing, send mails, earn profit and mint a NFT for free. So how to start? You will get a link down below. Just click on this link. You will find the link in the description. So go to the DMAIL website. Here you need to connect your MetaMask. Then we need to deposit $5 to $30 worth of USDT on our wallet on the BSC network. So BSC network will reduce the fees. So let me just switch the network to BSC. And here I need to then sign the transaction. Now mint your unique identity profile. So for minting, go to pre-sale and here you can check if your domain is available. Now the pricing varies as follows. So if you use 4 to 7 digit, you have $9 to $200. If you use 11 digit, you can mint it for free. So I'll mint thejargon at dmail.ai and let's search if it's available. It is available, so I can lock and buy here. So I can pay with USDT or I can pay with BUSD. Now if you don't want to pay $9, you can just go back and write something that is in 8 to 11 digits. This is 9 digits, so I can just search and you can see that it is available. Lock and buy and the price becomes 0. So it is up to you what you want to do. So you can write random numbers like this also and that will reduce your costs. So if you want to invest in this, you can do it like this. It will take you $5 to $6. We have invested a lot more. So confirm and pay. Since it's 0, I don't need to load up my wallet. Now sign the transaction and the payment is now successful. But this is not all you have to do. Next step is you need to submit your principal ID and DMAIL ID in this form. So just open this form. We'll do it in a while. Next, we need to pick one DMAIL ID for compose. So go to docs.google.com and here you will see a lot of IDs with principal ID that has been given. So what we need to do, we need to go here and pick a DMAIL ID from here and we will just copy this. Then go to compose. And here you need to click on to and paste the email address here, and on the principal ID space just go to the principal ID, copy this and paste it here. For subject you can write anything. I'll write hello and you can even use the AI to generate a response. So this will take time, so I'll just write something random here and you can just click on send. Now it will ask your MetaMask, it will have a little bit of gas fees, $0.02, and the email has been sent. Now go to assets and here you can get 2 points. Here it will show you points and plan, and there are a lot of tasks that you can do to collect these points. I think the points will be the main criteria for the airdrop. So even if you bought a free domain, you can earn points by composing emails and using this. So I'll start doing some of these. For example, you can follow them easily. So here you can just follow. So this one is done. You can set auto message forwarding also to your main email account. And you can also use other things to compose the email. And now is the most hard part. You need to send emails to at least 50 email IDs. We have already collected them for you. There are 15 email IDs here. You can find this link in the thread, also in the description down below. So it's easy for you. Just copy this and just send it using compose. You can write anything here and you can even copy the principal ID from here, paste it, and just send. So in this way you are able to complete the task and it's almost free. You just need to pay the BNB gas fees and that's not too much. Now let's find the possible criteria. So mint under 7 character profile for a good token allocation. So if you're very committed to this airdrop, it's better that you use a 7 character name instead of using a free name. So that increases your chances if you want to invest. If you don't want to invest, you can ignore this. After this, at least 30 days we need to be active. So don't send all the emails at the same time. Send at least 50 mails, but don't do it on the same day. Spread it out. Let's say send 2 every day and collect more points doing more tasks. So that is the main criteria. And now the final thing is filling this form. So how do you do that? You go to settings and here you will find your principal ID. Just copy this and paste it here. Also you'll find your default address here and your domain account here. So dmail id, you can just paste this and that you can submit, and that are all the steps. Again, this can be done for free, but the chances will be reduced. So if you want to increase your chances, you can invest up to $5 to $6. Don't invest too much. And that is how you do all the steps for the DMAIL airdrop. Hopefully you like this video. We will try to increase the number of videos because the airdrops were low, videos were low. What else do you want to learn? If you want us to focus on other content also, do let us know down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
गोरी पैग खींचे नीट लफ्ज मेरे हथियार पहली चोट में के सीन जैसे गिल्टीन रगो मैं बहरा निकटीन नशीला पदार्थ आज कश तुझको दूं पहला पफ मैं ले लूं चाहता मुझको खून बचले बेटा